I'm back painting, and I'm going to call this one Birds of a Feather, and it is a petroglyphic, BC petroglyph site that actually does exist. Hi again. I can tell I'm struggling with my paint, and this is a combination of ink and acrylics, and I'm definitely struggling with how fast I can go. So I did do a little bit more work. Here's what the central figure looks like. So here is the stage that it's at now, and I'll put it down here. So you can see that a lot of the colors are quite the same tonality. This gives you an idea of, sometimes you have to go slow and methodically, and other times you've got to go past your reservations and just keep going. So this painting is going to be called Birds of a Feather, and thank you so much for spending time with me, and I hope to see you again.